Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to create a lead generation campaigns in Facebook. So, what is the benefit of this lead generation campaigns and when we can create this lead generation campaigns? All those things we can clearly see in this video. So now let's get started. Facebook lead generation campaign. So what is the campaign type we have choose? Like what is the objective we have choose to till now? It was like brand
Brand
awareness, right?
awareness.
Yeah. So you can see one more objective is a lead generation. So now I'll show you how to create this lead generation campaign. So you should know about this lead generation actually. So I'll tell you how to create this lead generation campaign. So get into the Facebook as usual. So as we already know, getting into the interface, so let us create and add, create an ad. So choose a campaign objective. So which one should I choose now? So lead generation.
Lead
So why?
generation.
Because I'm going to create a lead generation campaign. Choose continue. Right. So name your campaign now. So I'm going to name it. Okay. So campaign objective lead generation. So everything daily budget. So enter your daily budget, how much you want to spend. And here comes next. So ad set. So name your ad set. And then here choose a Facebook page. Okay, so for from which page you want to run ads. Definitely without having a page we won't be able to run ads. You guys already know this thing. And here comes starting dates and end dates. So when you want to start and when you want to end. So what is custom audience, tell me? So it was showing me like a custom audience. Yeah, so if I put a cursor, it will show you the custom audience. Tell me custom audience means?
Tracking, Chitra, like who visited our website.
Hmm.
We want to track like existing audience.
Yeah. So, and then choose the languages, show more options. Okay. So connections here. So now let's say all people, I am going to show my ad to all people. Let's say now Vinay was following my page. Now let's say if I have selected few targeting options, so Vinay may or may not comes under my targeting option. Now let's say if I wants to show my ad to the Vinay also, that means who already like your page. So if you want to show the ad to those people, you can just choose friends of a people who like your page again. So now Vinay friends. So I will show my ad to the Vinay's friends also. Why? Because Vinay liked my page. Exclude a people who like your page. So let's say you want to show the ad only for a new audience. So if you feel that it's a waste of showing ad to the people who already interacted with your page, you can just simply exclude them. Okay, so it's up to you. You can just choose, right? And here you can just finally save your audience. Okay, scroll down. Can you see this audience? You can see. So you can just choose a age, location. So location, I'll go with the introvert. Okay, choose location and then age group. So choose an age group. So choose a gender and detailed targeting according to the demographics, according to the interest and behavior. So we already knows how to target the people according to their interest wise, according to their financial, according to their education levels. So according to the relationship wise also I can target. So behaviors, digital activities, anniversaries, so many things are there. So you can just soccer's, football fans. So if you want, you can just choose like this, right? And then finally, you can save this audience. So location, age, people who matches behaviors and detail targeting, then save it. So give a name for you. Now next time whenever you run ads, you can just simply choose this audience. That's it. You no need of choosing again age, gender, and then detail target. You no need of choosing everything manually. So if you can just choose that name of your saved audience, that's enough. Right. Then next. Next. So give a name for your ad. A page Instagram account. So if you have already a Instagram account, you can just choose, or else you can directly connect from here. Then single image or video. So we already know. So it's, if you want, you can just choose single image or a carousel. Now let me add one video. Sorry, let me add one image. I just added one image. Finally, you have to give some primary text. So give a headlines. Description. So it's completely optional. If you want, you can give description. Right now, call to action. So give some call to action and all. It's up to you. If you don't want, also no issue. I'll go with your call to action button. Sign up, learn more, download, whatever it might be. So I'll go with the sign up. Now, can you see create a form? So here you need to create a form. So how your ad appears, see, your ad appears like this. When someone click this ad, so a form will open. They don't redirect to any kind of websites and all. A form will directly open, and there itself people can fill up the form. That is what the importance of going with a lead generation form. Okay, so now choose a form type, or else if you want to choose an intro type, you can just choose. So see, give some headlines, so have some image and also give us some paragraph, then that's it, they will just read it. Or else if you want to ask a few questions like directly, you can just ask. Let me go with the form type. So I want to show something like a lead generation form. I'll go with this, right? Questions, email, full name. So as of now, it's email and full name. If you still want to add anything, you can add. So let me add phone number also. So that means I'm going to add their phone number. So first I will ask their full name, and then next I'll ask them email, then I'll ask them contact number. Final thing is that which one I can ask them, date of birth, gender, not required. That's enough. Full name and email and contact number. So type something here, enter message, like as soon as possible. Yeah. So if you want to add some privacy and policy, like link text, and also if you already have some privacy and policy pages in your website, you can just okay. So completion. Finally, thanks. You are all set. You can visit our website. Okay. Thanks. Thank you for. I'll go with. Thank you for. You can visit our website. View website or download, call business, you can add any button type. So view website is fine. Then website link. Give website link, right? Yeah. So completion done. Privacy policy done. If you want, you can use. Then questions done. Intro type. So it's completely optional. So it's up to you. I don't want to show up this. I'll just toggle it off. Then form type. So done, right? So form, when someone clicks, so suddenly a form open, they will enter full name, email address, and then contact number. Then, so as I didn't give this privacy and policy, then completion. Okay, then finish. Let us finish it. Got it. Done, right? So now I have done with the creation of ad. So when someone clicks, so suddenly a contact form will open. They will fill up all this information, and finally they can visit your site as well, right? So this is how we can create a lead generation form. Scroll down and then publish it. So as we already know, so add a payment or net banking, UPA, Facebook or credit. So if you want, you can just choose any kind of thing. So you can add any kind of payment. So finally click on next. Give your card details and then save it. Then your ad will run.